Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel, Singh Amit Official. Today we have to discuss about class 12th chemistry, and our topic is our chapter is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In the previous concept, we have to discuss about the term of the concept of the aldehyde and ketone. We have discussed about the term of the preparation of aldehyde, how the aldehyde are formed with the help of the many properties in terms. We also see the concept of ketones. In this sequence, we have to know about the topic that is carboxylic acid. Guys, this carboxylic acid is not a very new thing for us because this concept is read by us in the terms of class 11 chemistry, that is general organic chemistry. In terms of this, we have to know that this carboxylic acid is a principal functional group which is represented with the help of RCOH. That means we have to write the concept here. The carboxylic acid is principal functional group, and it's having highest priority. It's having highest priority. That means and represented as RCOH, or also it is represented in the way RC double bond OH. That means this is the complete representation of carboxylic acid. In this sequence, guys, we have first of all we have to know about this is the conservation of this carbonyl group plus hydroxy group. This is the meaning of carboxylic acid is attachment of carbonyl group plus hydroxy group. Sequences, guys. So first of all, in the term of the sequences of this concept, in the term of the sequences of this topic, we have to know about the concept of relatival, the naming, that is the nomenclature of organic compound having the functional group as carboxylic acid. That means for the naming of organic compound that contain carboxylic acid as a functional group in the parent chain attachments, we have to follow such a rules of IUPAC naming. In terms of the IUPAC naming, guys, first of all we have to know about how can you write the name of organic compound. In terms of carboxylic acid, we put its suffix and prefix both. Its suffix is oic acid and its prefix is carboxylic acid, same as usual guys, same as usual in terms of the concept of prefix. We have write the complete name, that is carboxylic acid. Now we have to know the concept of that when we have to add the concept of suffix, that is oic acid, and when you have to add the concept of prefix, that is carboxylic acid. This is the complete concept for the naming of organic compound containing functional group as a carboxylic acid. Before discussing the concept of this, I think you can note it. Okay, so please take a screenshot of this guys. Okay. Now in term of this concept, we have to know when you can write the concept of suffix and when you can write the concept of prefix. That means guys, this is not a very difficult thing, this is so easy work for the attending the substance in terms for the naming, that is when you can write the prefix and when you can write the concept of suffix. So you have to take a two note here. Note number first, when the carbon atom of carboxylic acid is counted in a parent chain, then we have to use the concept of suffix, that is oic acid. Note number 2 is here, when the carbon atom or attached carbon of carboxylic acid is not counted in parent chain, then we have to use the concept of prefix, that is same as usual carboxylic acid. That means guys, there is the concept of the learning here for the naming of organic compound. In terms of the naming of organic compound such as containing the functional group as a carboxylic acid, when you write the name of this organic compound, when the carbon atom of the carboxylic acid or also the attached carbon of the carboxylic acid is counted in parent chain, then you have to use the concept of the suffix, that is oic acid. When about to the opposite term of that, when the concept of this carboxylic acid, that means the attached carbon and the carbon of carboxylic acid is not counted in your parent chain, then you have to use the concept of their prefix, that is carboxylic acid. In term of this guys, you can take one example here. This is the example, CH3, CH2, 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 C, okay, C, O, C double bond O, H, okay. In term of the naming of this organic compound, you have to see the concept. First of all, you have to write the note of first one, 2 rule, okay. So take note. Okay. Now in the term of note guys, the concept of this, you can see that this is your principal functional group of carboxylic acid. For the naming of this organic compound, you can draw the first of all parent chain, and this is your parent chain, and this parent chain is connected with that carbon that contain carboxylic acid. And after selecting the parent chain, our next rule of IUPAC is illustrated that you have to use the concept of lowest law control. For the term of the concept of lowest law control, that means our priority is first of all the functional group, and the carboxylic acid has the highest priority. That's why we have to give the lowest number. That means started from the sequences, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the carbons are joined together by the single bonded. That means this is the saturated in terms. We have to use N for this. And 5 carbon, that means we have to use pentanoic acid. This is the concept of pentanoic acid, because the carbon attached is counted in the parent chain. That's why we have to use the concept of suffix, that is oic acid. In terms of the second one here, when the attachments get changed, that means the attached atom of the carbon atom of the functional group is not counted as in your parent chain, then you have to use the concept of its prefix, that is your carboxylic acid. Before this guys, you have to take a note, that is erased by us. After that we have to discuss about the next one concept. So take a note of it. Okay. Now guys, in the term of the sequences here, in the term of sequences, we have to use the another one concept here, that is the concept of another one compound in which carbon is not counted in your parent chain. I will erase this compound because we have to discuss about the another one example. After that we have to doing some question of nomenclature, that is contain the organic compounds in this. That in our names is derived here, that is the formation. This is your structure here containing COOH, and this is your CH3. How can you write the name? This is your functional group here. That means in terms of the parent chain, this is your parent chain of cyclic structure. That means this contains 5 carbon in it, and the carbon of this carboxylic acid is not counted in your parent chain. That's why you have to use the concept of carboxylic acid in the term, that is the prefix here. For the naming guys, we have to select the parent chain. This is your complete concept of the parent chain. In term of naming, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the writing its name guys, you have to write that this is 2-methyl. This is 2-methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid. The name of this organic compound is 2-methyl, okay, cyclopentane carboxylic acid. We have to use the concept of prefix because the carbon of this functional group of carboxylic acid is not counted in parent chain. That's why we have to use the concept of prefix. And these are the rule for which I will use it for the naming of organic compound having the functional group. That means this is the part of the term of nomenclature of organic compound having functional group of carboxylic acid. Okay, so take a note.